2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.